Shot photos with your Fujifilm camera and have RAF RAW files to process? These are Fuji's proprietary RAW image format containing maximum image quality from the camera sensor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to develop these Fuji RAW files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your RAF, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. RAF files are raw image files captured by Fujifilm digital cameras containing unprocessed sensor data. They preserve maximum image quality with full bit depth information from the X-trans or Bayer sensor, enabling extensive post-processing flexibility for exposure adjustments, white balance, color grading, and detail recovery in professional photography workflows. RAF RAW files use Fujifilm's proprietary format, storing complete sensor data with embedded JPEG previews, EXIF metadata, camera settings, lens information, and color profile data. The format supports both X-trans and Bayer sensor patterns, including 14-bit and 16-bit color depth, depending on the camera model with lossless compression options. Windows registers the RAF file as an opener for ACD Systems ACDSE developed by ACD Systems. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can't apply camera profiles or lens corrections, so full editing requires specialized software. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the RAF file and select Open With. Use ACD Systems ACDC if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still can't open the RAF file, it's okay. The nature of the RAF format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, processing in Adobe Camera Raw. Open RAF files in Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop with Camera Raw, which fully supports Fujifilm RAW format. Adjust exposure, white balance, color, and detail using the comprehensive RAW processing controls. Lightroom's Fujifilm camera profiles match the in-camera film simulations like Velvia Provia and Classic Chrome for authentic color reproduction. Next, using Capture One. Capture One Pro provides exceptional Fujifilm RAW processing with industry-leading color science. Phase 1 offers a Fujifilm-specific edition optimized for Fujifilm cameras. The software's color editor and film simulations preserve Fujifilm's distinctive color character while providing professional-grade tonal control for portrait landscape and commercial photography. Finally, free alternatives. Use Raw Therapy or Darktable as free alternatives for processing RAF files. These open-source applications support Fujifilm X-trans demo sensing with quality matching commercial alternatives. Both provide complete RAW processing workflows, including exposure, tone curve, color management, and noise reduction, without subscription fees, making them excellent for hobbyist photographers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.